What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be showing you a strategy that's going to help you increase your win rate and help you pass those funded challenges. So let's get into the video. So we're going to be trading the London session this time. So first, we're going to be looking at a higher time frame liquidity. You want to know where you're at in price at a certain time. So that's going to be our main focus here is two things: time and price. That is the whole philosophy here. That is the ground base fundamentals to everything on how to trade ICT is time and price. The third would be liquidity. Okay. So you see here, we're here on the hourly. And if we use a Gambox, we can go from the bottom here where price ran up to the highs. And you look left, we took out this swing high here, just ever so slightly, taking out these highs on Friday. Okay, so we've taken out this high. And if we think of price and a discount underneath 50% and anything above 50% in a premium. So anything in a premium, you want to look to sell. Anything in a discount, you want to look to buy. Okay, so we're going to drop down to the 15-minute time frame here. Okay, and we are going to be using the power of 3. Okay, so all I have here is an indicator called ICT index futures. Okay, this is going to plot your midnight opening price, which is this purple dashed line. So here we have midnight and the price that it's opening up at. So this is that purple line. Okay, so we see here we want to use this kind of as a buy and sell confluence. Okay, something that's going to add to our price action analysis. All right, so we move price forward. We know on the hourly we're in a premium. Okay, we've taken out buy side liquidity on a previous swing high. So if we're in a premium, we've taken buy side liquidity. Then the next thing we would want to do during London, which is going to be our 3 to 5 a.m., is going to be our kill zone. Okay, so 3 to 5 a.m. here. And if we go back to the hourly here, where are we going to be targeting? So price will want to come back to an equilibrium. Okay, what does that mean? It's going to want to come back to at least 50% here. So to balance itself out, price will be coming down here to equilibrium. So this is our draw on liquidity. Okay, so this is going to be our draw on liquidity. Why? Because this is where price is going to want to come back into discount. Okay, price moves from discount to premium and premium to discount. Okay, so back to the 15-minute time frame. So we can see here, we'll move forward in price closer. You can see, okay, price tanks down, big market structure shift, drop down to the 5 here. So now we came just above midnight opening price. We took out the highs here from the Asian range, right? So we took out buy side liquidity there, and then we just tanked. Okay, so now we're creating fair value gaps here. So let's move price forward here and see if there gives us a chance to enter. So far we have this gap and this gap here. And then we also have a tiny gap just in here. And this up close candle before this next push down here is our order block. So this would add extra bearish order block, extra confirmation to go lower. So let's drop down and see what price does in this window. So we're dropping lower, lower. We have some volume imbalances in here. Price might want to come back up into. Continue lower. And we just keep dropping lower. All right, so prices come into here. Now we want to wait to see what kind of reaction we get here. And let's pull a fib and see off the 5 minute, where can we get a fib play here? So if we look here on the 5 minute, I like this 5 minute fair value gap here. And then we have this up close candle as another bearish order block here. Bearish order block. So we're trading up into here. We're about 50% in. So I would place a short position here. We'll take our stops at 5, which will cover us just about up to here. And let's go 5 as our first target here. This will be take profit 1. We still have a draw on liquidity underneath us. And let's go for 10 here. All right. So let's see how this plays out. Nice rejection so far. Respecting. Boom, there's our 5 points there, TP1. So at this point, if you wanted to, you could go break even, take partials. Partials always pay. And then try to target our 10 points here. We are coming at the end of the session here around at 5 a.m. So just keep that in mind. We're coming out of our kill zone. So, but there's your 5 and see if we get our 10. There you go. There's your 10. At this point, you can trail your stops here at 5 if you wanted to try to carry this out longer, and try to target our draw on liquidity underneath us here, down here. So let's play this out and see. Small pullback. All right, so at this point we came up. Your stops were still safe there. So if we trail down, this is still our draw on liquidity because this is where equilibrium of that run higher was, right? Oh, and then you're taken out there. But your 10 was hit here and a little bit extra. So that's the downside of trying to trail. But I always like to stick to my strategy is 5 to 10 points max. If it runs more, that's cool. The name of the game is consistent profitability. Okay. So if you like this video, feel free to join the Discord below tomorrow, or not tomorrow, I'm sorry, Monday. So you have 2 days, okay? 2 days to join the boot camp, okay? If you want to join the mentorship, that's going to give you the live trading that we do. There's tons and tons of value in there. We trade from Tuesday to Thursday, from 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay. If you want the boot camp is going to be every Monday from July 10th to July 31st from 9 a.m. EST to 11 a.m. So you're getting 2 hours of a group one-on-one with me. You're going to get, we're going to go through anywhere from beginners to more advanced. It's for everyone. So get into the June boot camp. If you do the boot camp, it gives you access to the Discord and the boot camp. If you do the Discord mentorship, it's just the Discord mentorship. But I mean, there's still tons of value in the Discord mentorship. So this is going to be the boot camp. Tons of testimonials in here, challenges past, people coming in that are new, more payouts, people passing their certifications and getting funded. There's tons and tons of extras in here. So, and then of course, not to mention the main live trading. Okay. So don't miss out. That's going to be starting Monday, and I am keeping the seats limited right now. In the boot camp, we have about 14 people. Okay, so there's not that very many people in there, so you're going to get more of a one-on-one with me. So if it's something you're really interested in, you don't need it. There's tons of free content on YouTube. If you feel like that's not something you want to do, that's totally fine. It's 100%. Do your thing. I support you. If you have any questions, comment below if there's anything I can help you with. But if you're serious about taking your trading to the next level, I encourage you, for the price of a cheap pair of clothes or shirt, or pair of shoes, probably what you spend on fast food or food for the month, get into this boot camp, give yourself some more self-development in your trading and take it to the next level. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, guys, trade safe.